Another day with I'm playing with slime. So I'm trying to prank my uncle with this, and my aunt, cause they hate slime. But it's like, so I'm trying to put it in his body, put out here. Right? And I'm trying to prank my aunt by putting it near her face. Cause she hates it. She got it. Look at my hand. I know completely because of it. It doesn't.
Hey Barry, what's this? Some kind of nerve game? Hey, that's mine! Hey, give it back! What's wrong, dork boy? Can't reach. Brace me for it. Oh, wait.
I feel bad for the kids with asthma. Cause they can't play.
Yeah, I'm making. This project is dumb. Where am I going to find a real scientist? Maybe Dr. Grant can help me. Hello? Doctor? What do you want? I have a school project and what are you doing? Come here, quick! Oh, okay. Hold this. Olive? Yes, it's a key ingredient to the formula. Oh, cool. What are you making? It's a chemical to excel machine velocity. What? It basically makes things go fast. Cool. Oh, no. What's wrong? It's just thunder. This is really terrible. This is very bad. It's so bad, I may not be able to finish my experiment.
Sorry, you guys can't see me.
What's that? Huh? Oh, that's just a suit I needed to protect myself from the proton waves. That's pretty cool. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, this is not good. You, what's your name? Barry? You sit here and watch this. I need to go outside and check on something. Oh, and if it starts bubbling, run. Okay. Okay. I'm Mr. Beastie. Look at me. Uh-oh.
She said to run. You did not listen.
What happened? Lightning struck? What happened? Whoa, what's that? He destroyed everything! Hey, Scarlet! Give me my Game Boy back. Oh, Nerd Boy wants his Dork Machine. I'll give it back. If you can take it from me, I have a better idea. Let's race for it. You think you can beat me in a race? You can't walk 2 steps without gasping for air. Try me. First one that gets to the bench wins the Game Boy. Sounds good to me. Barry, on your mark. Get set. Whoa. What? You took your time. Hey, where's the game? Oh, you mean this? That's mine. Well then, why don't you... What? I didn't see you there. But you... Oh, ready, Admiral? Here, this will help. See you in lunch. How can he move so fast? It defies the laws of physics. He can really zoom.
Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment what your favorite classic superhero kids video is. Then watch a new video either here or
Guys,
here.
listen to it.
Like that.
Ready?
Thank you all.
Yeah,
Thank you, kids. Make sure to like and subscribe. This video took a lot of teamwork.
And if you're doing something that's too hard to do alone, do it with a team.
I'm Batman.
Here's the G-Ball.
I'm Batman. I'm Batman.
What do you want from me?
Fear. They're attracted to fear. I'm Batman.
All against the wall. Hey, do that. I know. Because it's not fair that some people get to have cotton candy and some people don't. So we're gonna destroy all the cotton candy. And no one can stop us.
it's almost time for me to eat. So I'll see you guys next time on the Bye, guys. I know you guys can't see me, but I say bye.